Clean the potholes surrounding areas. Use a concrete cutter to edge the pothole into a square or rectangle shape. Remove all the large debris from the pothole before compacting. Remove loose debris and standing water from the pothole. Ensure you compact the existing base layer before tack coating. Ensure the pothole is clean and dry before the application of tack coating. Apply a tack coat to the squared edges of the pothole. Ensure you mix the aggregate before filling the pothole. Fill in with aggregates to support and strengthen before filling the pothole with asphalt. Ensure you compact the aggregate before tack coating. Ensure the base is dry before tack coating. Apply a tack coat to the squared edges of the pothole. Fill the pothole with asphalt in lifts of no more than 2 inches, compacting after each lift. Compact the asphalt thoroughly and evenly using a rake to a layer of required millimeters. Ensure the asphalt is level with the surrounding pavement. Perform a final compaction to ensure a smooth, even surface. Apply a tack coat to the interface of the repair to create a moisture-proof seal and prevent water infiltration. Check that the surface is smooth and even with the surrounding pavement. Clear the area for traffic.